Diamond Lot.
DDE invites you to Diamond Lot.
Yeah, we're at Diamond Lot. They were out there too. Damon was running from the cops.
Yeah, David invited us out here to Diamond Lot to hang out with them for today. Alex Choi's here, Skinny's World's here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in the dirt. Do the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, the hard way. And in the driveway is a nice range. 'Cause I ride through the climb, I invite pain. Bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta hit the switch and look at what I obtain. Anything you want, anything you need. Your eyes got the memory. Really see anything can be. But I just like that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. Never answer to no, you can still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that can change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
off. Just take a look at this thing. This thing is nasty. Fuel tank right there. This thing is hot. Real hot. Two big old turbos. Of course, you got these cars. Old school versus new school. Which one you guys taking? I'm always going to the old school all day. All day. Now let's Joy. You remember that car? Alright guys, single 2025. Knocking it out of the park. DDE and all that thing. So next time guys, stay humble.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.